Children of class 10, today we will learn chapter 18 mean, median, mode, and the question is the numbers 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 and x are arranged in ascending order. That means the numbers are already in ascending order. We need not again arrange it later. So it is in ascending order. Now the question says if the mean of the observations is equal to the median. Now the question is, for these observations, whatever is the value of mean, same will be the value of median, because mean is equal to median. The question says that means the value of mean and median will be same. Then find the value of x. That means in this observation all the numbers are known, only one unknown variable x is there. So the question is to find the value of x. So what is this x? You have to find that. Now solution starts. First I am going to find mean, and here you can see I have written a new formula of mean. Actually we have three formulas of mean, that is direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. I will tell you one thing, this is also a formula of direct method, but since I am not going to write these observations in table form, I am going to directly start my question. That's why I wrote the formula in sentence form, and this formula you have learned in class 9 also. So mean equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Sum means we have to add all these observations like 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus x, that we will add here by 6. Number of observation means how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. So dividing by 6. Now all the numbers will be added. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13. It is 49, and x cannot be added with number. Like mango can be added. Like 1 mango plus 2 mango is equal to 3 mango. But 1 mango plus 2 apple. How can we add apple with mango? That means it is same. All numbers will be added, but x also will come here in the addition form. So 49 plus x. Don't write 49x. That is wrong. We have to write 49 plus x, adding all number and plus x by 6. Now we'll keep our answer like this, and later on we'll get the value of x. Again here n equal to 6. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. So n equal to 6. Now median, it is even number. So median formula will be for even n by 2 th term plus n by 2 plus 1 th term whole divided by 2. This is the formula of median when we have even observations, even n. So n value is 6. 6 by 2 th term plus 6 by 2 plus 1 th term whole divided by 2. That means I have put the value of n as 6. 6 by 2 is 3. That means third term plus 6 by 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That means fourth term whole divided by 2. Now who is third term here? First term, second term, third term. Third term is 10 and fourth term is 12. So third term plus fourth term is 10 plus 12 whole divided by 2. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 by 2 is 11. That means we got the value of median as 11 and we got the value of mean as 49 plus x by 6. But we have to find the value of x. So according to question, mean is equal to median. This second line says mean is equal to median. So I wrote mean equal to median. Now I am going to put the value of mean. Value of mean is here and value of median is here. So that both I put. Now from here I will get the value of x. Now 49 plus x will be multiplied by 1. So same, and 6 and 11 will be multiplied and it is 66. Now if I make x alone, then 49 goes that side. Plus becomes minus. So 66 minus 49, and therefore x equal to 17. So finally we got the value of x. So children, this was a question, very technical question. Now similar type of few more questions I have solved in my PDF, and I will be giving one question as homework also. So please learn all these questions, write and copy down in your copies and try to do my homework, children. Thank you, children.